Hello, everybody. So I just announced it on Instagram. Welcome, everyone. Oh, that's not me. But yeah, I decided to invite you all over to hang out while I take this thing apart and put it together. This is my it got stuck. Sorry. This is my cookie jar laser security system that I did for the Raspberry Pi channel, and I need to take it apart because I have, let me just get to the chat because this is a great time just to ask questions. And I mean, this is a hangout. Let's hang out. I mean, turn on the chat. All right. I am scrolling to see your comments somewhere. There we are. Okay. Hi, everybody. Okay, so I'm taking this thing apart because I had a ribbon that was faulty and I didn't know. And it took me 2 days to figure that out. Literally 2 days, and I thought it was the code, but it wasn't the code. It was this thing that I guess got bent really badly and it wasn't working anymore. So I figured that out, but the only other ribbon that I had was super long. And what happened is it's so long, I can't close my Raspberry Pi case. I don't know if you can see it. It's really bad. So there's some tape, and then if I close it all the way, the ribbon bends really badly, and I just cannot take a picture. So what I got here is, I remembered actually. When I subscribed to the Magpie magazine, this feels like an ad. It's not an ad. I did subscribe because I wanted to. They sent me a Raspberry Pi Zero W and a case, just like the one I have. So it's super cool. I still have all the stuff, and I remembered, and I found it, and there's another little ribbon there. So it's perfect. Perfect size for this case. So what I'm doing today is I'm switching the long ribbon for the short ribbon, and hopefully everything still works out. And then we can test it, and we'll see it on Twitter, and it should be fun. And it's also a great time to ask some questions. Also, it's a really, really bad idea to take your projects apart, just take parts from it, just because it's like next time you want to just show it off or play with it, it just doesn't work anymore. And just don't do it. It's a terrible idea. Just buy another Pi. They're not that expensive. But anyways, I try to label all of these wires in the hopes that it's not as hard to put back together, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Anyways, but yeah. It's a great time for questions. Oh, and here, I don't know if you can see, but see, the ribbon is like super long. So it was bending really bad too. So it wasn't really working. Oh yeah, I Velcroed this thing. Velcro is my favorite component because then you can just do this. Okay. Just unplug everything. And okay. So we're switching out this ribbon. Super long. It's all bent now. And I couldn't properly close my case, which is really annoying. It looked really bad. So let's make it look better. Hello all the way to Mexico. Do I recommend lead or lead-free solder? I can't remember. It's one or the other one that I use, but one of them is really bad for your tips. Or if you don't take care of your tips properly like I do, then I don't, or whatever, then I think it's the lead ones. Yep. Just try both, and if they just go with what you feel is best for your soldering tips, that's what I did, and that's how I know. I guess I don't know, but I do know. It's on my Amazon history. Yeah. This thing should work. Should be a lot better. Will I catch Santa this year? I don't know. My nieces and nephew got really mad at me. They call me their 5, 3, and 2. 5, 3, and 2. And they just called me and they said, you have to turn off your Santa alarm. We're really mad at you. So I don't know. I really don't know. All right, so this fits perfect. It's really hard to find these short ones. I don't know. It's really easy to find these long ones, but not the short ones. Short ones are great. Yeah, but hopefully this will take no time and it's gonna work, and then we'll have this project up and running and testing with Twitter. All right, so I plugged it in. And then this is a case that Raspberry Pi gave me. Like when you subscribe to their magazine, you get something like this, which is really neat. And this is for the camera. Super cool. Super cool case. Because I don't have a 3D printer. But yeah. Hello, all the way to Venezuela. Venezuela. What up? Oh yeah, and I guess it's a good time for announcements for the people who got it to this live today. You get to know more things, I guess. But yeah, it seems like I will be going to Mexico on April for a conference, and I'm really, really, really excited about it. And I might want to like make some sort of like a meetup. If you guys want to meet up, I'll be in Guadalajara. Yeah, I'm excited. Really excited. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. What do you recommend when looking for programming internships freshman year of college? Wait, what? What do I recommend when looking for programming internships freshman year of college? I think like, what do I recommend? Just apply to everything and then see. I mean, they're looking for interns, so they know your level, especially if you're a freshman, and just go for it and see what they give you. I think that your hiring manager or your team will know you're an intern, you're starting out, and they won't be like super hard on you, or they will know exactly like kind of like what your level, or to help you become better at whatever your team is doing. So just I would, if I were you, I would apply to all of the places that you want to work at and then see which one you get, because right now, how can you know where you're going to get in if you haven't applied? So just apply to everything. That's what I would do. And then just go for it. It should be fun. Learning experience. Yes. Oh, I didn't label this one. No. No. Oh, I think it's because it's a buzzer. Yeah, the buzzer. I did not label the buzzer, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Yes, I am going to Talentland in Mexico. I'm super excited, but I'll just, that's all I'm going to say. I'll provide more information later. My Spanish is great. You'll see. I'm also going to be at South by Southwest. So yeah, if you want to hang out at South by Southwest, I'll be there, and I'll probably do some sort of meetup. And yeah, we can be there. Should be fun. C# or Java? Man, you just like made it super hard. I was gonna say neither, but I guess I prefer C# over Java because I've used C# and it wasn't too bad. It was actually kind of fun. Can I have your cookie laser jar thing? I'm trying to slim down. I mean, first of all, I know you can make it yourself. Second, I don't think it works very well because I still ate all my cookies. So just disclosure. But you can do it. You can totally do it. I haven't put up the code on GitHub yet, but I will. And also, it's like all on Raspberry Pi's website, so there wasn't a lot to provide. But anyways, I need to look at the code because I can't remember the pin numbers. So I'm going to plug in the Raspberry Pi. Actually, I'm just going to put it back here. I put some Velcro, so I'm just going to put it back here and plug it into the wall. For now, I have a battery here, but that's for later. Oh, well, maybe I should just plug it in before I put the Velcro. But yeah, I'm super excited about Talentland in Mexico. You got a vlog? I've thought about it. I don't know. I have a lot to say, but nothing to say. So deep. The safety of your laser is bad. Did you know? How so? Please tell me more. I would like to know why you said that. A lot of people, not a lot of people, some people complain on the Raspberry Pi blog about the safety, but these are baby lasers. Like I wouldn't be too worried about it. Plus, I wore my glasses. Let me find the code. So I SSH into this Raspberry Pi because I don't like having an extra monitor and keyboard and everything, so I can just SSH into it and use this computer to run my scripts and actually modify them and edit. So since I just restarted it, it might take a little bit. But yeah, this should be plug and play because I fixed the code all week last week. Should be. Yes, always SSH in. Like seriously, super easy. Someone said I'm saving all my money just to go to Talentland and meet you and meet Kevin Mitnick and Chema Alonso. I don't know him. Who's that? I'm gonna look him up. He sounds really cool. But I'm super excited about Kevin Mitnick. I was like, oh my god! Well, first of all, Simone is like she's gonna be one of the main speakers, and then she's right next to Kevin Mitnick, and I was like, that's like super huge. I read a lot of his books. Like I'm a big Kevin Mitnick fan, and then when I found out that he was gonna be there, I'm like, I just like freaked out. Oh no, it's not working. It's probably still rebooting. Yes. Wait, what? You pass a light on off the phone and you can evade the safety of your lasers. Oh, like you're trying, like with mirrors, like you're trying to reflect it. I mean, seriously, this is like all exposed. You can just like unplug it and it will just turn off. But it was just a fun project to do. I think I make fun of myself in the video I made for this, where at the end I just like show all the bad things about it, like how you can just like unplug it or unplug one of the wires and it just won't work. So I mean, it's not like foolproof, but it was fun to make and I can make it, so I made it. Chema Alonso is a Spanish hacker. Spanish hacker? Like, does he hack in Spanish? Sorry, I had to. How do you hack in Spanish? Or is he from Spain? Probably from Spain. Also, like, how is my sound? I'm sorry if it's like really echoey. I just moved into a new place where the ceiling is like way taller, so I can feel a lot of echo, and I apologize if the sound kind of sucks. Hacked lasers. Yeah. Well, this thing is not working. I tried to SSH into it, but it's totally not working. What? Come on. Just do it for the demo. Okay. Oh, that's because I forgot to plug it in. Oh, how smart. How lovely. Okay. Just give me 30 more seconds. Can you make a display shoe? What is a display shoe? Tell me more, and I might just make it. What is a display shoe? A display shoe. A hacker from Spain. No, you said it right, and I'm just being dumb. That's how you say it. Like someone from Spain is Spanish. So you said it right. I was just being dumb. Display shoes. What do you mean? Display my shoes? I'm actually just wearing socks right now. I can't. That's weird. Okay. SSH. You should probably change your password. And I typed it wrong. What? Oh, because I have caps lock. Well, that's just great. Sorry, I'm just putting my password in because I had my caps lock. Because when I write the title, it was all in caps. I don't know if you noticed those little details. Anyways, go into my desktop where my script is, and I just want to open it because I can't remember some of the pins. I labeled most of these, but I can't remember the buzzer ones, which are these long ones. So the buzzer is 17, and I usually use black for ground, and just either if I'm out of red, I use white for whatever the GPIO or power, and then yeah. Or this one, obviously I ran out of both colors. These are the laser ones, and I picked brown for ground, and is this orange? I guess orange for power. And the same goes for the resistors. The resistors, green for ground and orangey for power. And if you haven't seen the video yet, it's fine. Like, it's on the Raspberry Pi channel. But basically what I did, I just plugged in 10 photoresistors in the bottom and 10 lasers. And basically, if you breach any of these lasers, it sounds an alarm. It takes a picture and it tweets it to my Twitter account. And that's it. Simple, but it's fun. A lot of fun. And you can totally make it, and I encourage you to do so because it's a lot of fun. So these are the lasers. So let's plug it in. I don't know the pins, so I have to find them online. Oh, wait, I want to see some of your comments. I only code in French. Yo, I would love to see your variable names. I don't know. Baguette. Oh man, my jokes today are on point. All right. 5 volts, and then ground is like 3. I just count like 2 pins down. So I go like 1, 2, 3. This is ground, and this is 5 volts. Ta-da! The lasers are on. I don't think you can see, but they're on. Definitely on. Then I have these are my photoresistors, and this one is going to go through 3 volts, which I know is on the other side here. And ground, I just need to find another available ground, and I'm looking at a picture online where I can see the pins of the Raspberry Pi 0 and okay, it's this green one. It seems like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 down here under 3 volts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please be it. Okay, and then let's plug the buzzer in. We said it was 17. 17 is. This is like way harder when it's live because I feel like I need to keep you guys entertained. Oh, right below ground. Yeah. Okay. So this guy right here. And then I need another ground for this one. And there is one all the way at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to put up that one all the way at the bottom under 3 volts. So this one. That should be it. Okay. Then I just need to do the pins just for testing purposes. Okay, let's do, this is, my label sucks because I touched it and now I can't see what I wrote. But I think it says 4, number 4. And I love this pin because it's literally the only pin that matches it when you count down from 3 volts. So you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's that one. So this is the only one that matches, and I love it. I usually use this one just for testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it just sticks. So I always use GPIO 4, always for convenience. Then 18. Where's 18? Well, I'm gonna read some comments because y'all are hilarious. Hello all the way to Brazil. A shoe with an LCD display. I still don't know what you mean. Can you draw it and tweet it at me? I actually am on Twitter, and I love answering questions on Twitter because it's not very crowded for me yet. So if you have any questions or you want to ask me anything or send me, oh, spoilers, there's a if you want to send me any questions, just tweet me. Tweet at me, tweet me. I don't know the verb for tweeting. Twat. Anyways, yeah, tweet the picture and I might be able to do it. So look into particle boards. Are you talking about the particle that like the photon? I've used that before. I used it for the actually it's right back here for my French press, my automatic French press. I used the photon and an internet button. That was fun. I'm creating a project similar to your idea of lasers. I hope someday show you by Instagram. You can show me on Instagram, and like I said, you can show me on Twitter. Every mistake is being recorded. Yes, it is. Do you always sing when building? Yes, I actually sing a lot, and mostly Disney songs. Oh, I had an idea of shoes with an LCD display of any wallpaper on your smartphone to your shoe. I think I'm starting to understand what you mean, like those shoes that light up, like the soles light up. That's not bad. Can you build a laundry folding robot? That sounds helpful, and I usually don't build helpful robots. Hello, Peru! How many days am I coming to Talentland? I don't know yet, TBD, but definitely Wednesday and Thursday. Hello, all the way to Mexico. Could you get some cool photos if you spray some more steam into the lasers? Oh yeah, I know. Actually, if you go, I think like when was this released? Like August, maybe. You can go to my Instagram and find all the really cool pictures I took of this guy. Yes, and then I can turn off the lights too, and it's gonna look super cool. That's a fog machine. Yes, this is a fog machine. Okay, I'm gonna go back to plugging in things. It's a great time to ask more questions, and then I'm gonna come back and you read them. Oh no, did I lose my Raspberry Pi picture? No. Okay, here it is. Okay, this one says it's 18. Where is 18? Under 5 volts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I say 5 or 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is 15. 15. Oh, it's right above the one that I just plugged in. Awesome. Okay, it's getting a little tight here. And then I have an unlabeled one. Great. Okay, 19. 19 is, oh, it's all the way at the bottom. 2 from ground. 1, 2, yeah, this one. And this one is 26, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 26. Okay, so it's all plugged in. It's back and beautiful. Like, how professional is this? This is beautiful. Okay, time to test it. I'm gonna make it face me so we can go check it on Twitter. Hopefully, please work. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna run the script now. I have SSH into my Raspberry Pi. So I just go Python 3 cookie.py. Oh, we need to calibrate. And by that, I mean, if my lasers are not pointing at my photoresistors right now, it's just gonna go off no matter what. So what kind of a test is that? Terrible test. Ugh. Okay, it seems a little bit calibrated-ish. Ugh. Okay. And I use like a putty, like that putty you use to glue things on walls, like just like for posters. And I had to use that so it's like sort of like Play-Doh to be able to move the lasers around a little bit. And that made it way easier than anything else I used. I tried glue gun, I tried everything. This was the best option because you do need to recalibrate because the lasers get hot and they move, and yeah, it was painful. But anyways, let's run it. And I'll stand in front of the camera. You probably can't see me very well, but you'll see it on Twitter. It doesn't seem like it's running yet. Okay, let's wait. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no. Out of memory? Failed to create a component out of memory. No way. Okay. Let's debug. You're gonna watch me. Camera's not enabled. What? That's totally not true. Sudo. So you can do sudo respi-config in advanced options, I think. Advanced options. Nope. Is it? No. Back. Blah blah. Interfacing options. Camera. Would you like the camera interface to be enabled? Yes. Okay. Finish. Now I'm gonna check my cookie pics folder. There's nothing there, so come on. You better work. Oh my god. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I ran it. I'm waiting. Please work. No! It's not working. No. Cannot create component camera? Why? Oh well. I'm gonna have to debug this, maybe without you. This sucks because I really wanted to show you, and this was working like 30 minutes ago. All I did was change the wires. Like, camera's not enabled. But it is. Okay, what if we just reboot? Let's just reboot. Maybe. Sudo shut. Oh, you can help me actually. It says Hi camera error, camera's not enabled, but that's not true because we just did try running sudo respi-config. We already did that. Before that it says what? Trace by Pi camera is not enabled. That was a different exception. So the first exception was out of memory. Failed to create MMAL component out of memory. Crud. Okay. This is going great, guys. Exactly how I planned. Sticky Tack is called. Thank you. What do you do for your work, like your paid job? I am a software engineer by day. Yeah. I guess that's all I can say. So developer said, okay, just finished getting all my servers back up with the new version of the app, so I'm done for the day and have to roll. Plus, Vanderpump Rules comes on a few, and I have to catch up. I don't even know what that means, man, but thank you for tuning in. You're awesome. Is that laser light dangerous? Won't it hurt you? No, it's not. It's not dangerous. Don't worry about it. I'll be safe. Okay. So, okay. Someone's helping me. Camera's probably running out of GPU memory. Check config text. Okay, I can try. I like that you're helping me. This is super cool. This is like pair programming, guys. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I need to turn my Pi on again. It's refusing the connection. Do you think I busted my camera? No way. Low power. No. Maybe if I plug it in straight to the wall. Oh, let's try that. Maybe. Yeah. I hope I didn't break my camera. No. That would really suck. No. Okay. Let's be positive here. It's probably not broken, right? Probably. Maybe the battery. Yeah, I'm not running on battery. I plugged it in on an extension cord thing. So maybe that thing was kind of, I don't know, loose or bad. So I'm just plugging it in straight to the wall now and see. Hopefully that'll help. This post on the Raspberry forum says the problem can be fixed by switching the pin used for wire to pin. Oh, 18, but that I'm using that one for something else. Okay, I'm gonna unplug the 18 one. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's getting confused. Maybe. Let's try that. Okay. SSH2, Raspberry Pi again. Waiting. Thank you guys for helping me. I mean, I don't think this thing should go much longer, but I really did want to demo it. Just one picture. Come on. Just one demo. Okay. Moment of truth. Go into desktop. Running the script Python 3 cookie dot py. I'm gonna freeze it. Please work. Oh, okay. Running it. Please. It's taking too long. I feel like it's not working. We're waiting. No, I got the same error. Wah, wah. Okay, I really wanted to show you guys, but it's been 30 minutes. I don't think I should make it any longer. Thank you for hanging out, and thank you so much for trying to help me. But I'm going to try to debug on my own tonight, and I'll take a picture. Stay tuned on Twitter. You'll see the picture if I make it on Twitter. So, wah, wah. Please run the dear program. Yeah, we got to do the whole pure programming again. Yeah, let's do it again. This was fun. Yeah, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to try to fix it tonight. So go to Twitter, follow me there. I mean, this is not fishing for followers, but seriously, if you want to see when I fix it, you'll have to follow me and you'll get the notification when I post the picture, and the picture will come from here. You'll see, because it's going to be like backwards, and it's going to come from the Raspberry Pi. It's going to say a message like cookie thief or something like that. And so yeah, that's how you'll know I got it working. But anyways, thank you so much. It was so much fun. Bye.